Most off-road winches sold online are underpowered junk built to fail at the first mud hole. Pick wrong and you're stuck in a mud hole wasting hundreds. Ever get stuck in a muddy ditch and wish you had chosen smarter gear? This video will help you pick a winch you can trust when you need it most. Today, I'm going to be going over the best winch that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the OPENROAD Panther Series 3S. For off-road enthusiasts, contractors, and trailer owners, this winch promises serious recovery capability without demanding professional installation or equipment. Its rugged design, rust-resistant coating, and compact footprint make it suitable for mounting on Jeeps, trucks, trailers, and heavy-duty work. The 12-volt electric motor delivers dependable power with a 13,500 pounds rating, enabling controlled recoveries under demanding conditions. The synthetic rope is 3/8 inch thick and 85 feet long, offering easier handling and reduced snapback risk. A strong braking system and high line force translate into smoother, more controlled pulls when working with heavy vehicles. The corrosion-resistant dacrylic-coated screws add longevity and reliability when exposed to rain, mud, and road spray during off-road cycles. The package includes a control box kit, cable, fair lead wired controller, 2 wireless remotes, heavy-duty hook, strap, installation bolts, and manual. Installation is designed for front bumper or winch bracket mounting, and factory assembly is nearly complete, requiring only power connection and bolts. Ensure the mounting bolt hole pattern measures 10 inches by 4.5 inches to align mounting hardware perfectly during installation. In field tests, the Panther Series 3S performed confidently under wet conditions thanks to its IP68 rating and sealed electronics. During towing and recovery cycles, the synthetic rope reduces heat buildup and improves rope control, delivering smoother pulls compared with traditional steel alternatives. Lifetime technical support and a 1-year warranty accompany the Panther Series, underscoring OPENROAD's commitment to long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. Compared with a common mid-range electric winch from rival brands, the Panther Series 3S offers higher capacity and more remote versatility. The pros include high capacity, 2 wireless remotes, and complete packaging, which together ensure versatile use and straightforward field setup. The cons include a relatively high price and a substantial weight that could challenge installation on lighter or compact vehicles. At number 4, we have the XYCLE Winch13500lbs. From the outset, this model communicates a rugged purpose-built design that targets off-road enthusiasts who need 2 operation modes for flexibility. This winch appears tailor-made for weekend trail riders, anglers, and professional outfits who require dependable recovery gear in remote conditions. Its housing achieves IP67 waterproof and dustproof protection, while a 3-stage planetary gear system uses precision alloy steel for reliability. The mounting footprint measures 10 inches by 4.49 inches, and the kit excludes an installation plate. The winch does not include an installation plate, placing responsibility on the installer to source compatible hardware and mounting it securely. It offers both wired control and wireless remote operation up to 100 feet, letting you work from safe distance or inside coverage. The all-copper coil motor delivers stable power output and durability across demanding loads while resisting overheating in varied weather conditions. The winch ships with a 3/8 inch UHMWPE synthetic rope that runs 80 feet, balancing weight savings with high tensile strength. An aviation-grade aluminum gearbox works with a 3-stage planetary gear set to manage heat during heavy pulls. In off-road towing scenarios, the 265:1 ratio delivers stable line retrieval with reduced heat buildup. During field testing, the winch achieved consistent pulls near its maximum rating while maintaining cooler temperatures than many competing models. Compared with a typical 12,000-pound class winch from a mainstream brand, the XYCLE delivers better gearing and heat control. The pros include IP67 waterproofing, dual operation modes, and a durable 3-stage planetary gear system. The cons include a higher price and a learning curve for proper drum winding to avoid detachment during use. At number 3, we have the RUGCEL Winch. From the get-go, this winch signals rugged capability tailored for off-road enthusiasts who need durable traction in mud, snow, or terrain. It feels built to withstand harsh environments with a premium brushed aluminum shell and corrosion-resistant finish, exuding rugged reliability. Design embraces a compact, low-profile form that fits standard mounting patterns and includes both a wired handle and wireless remote. Mounting outline measures 20.8 by 6.7 by 10 inches, so buyers should verify plate fit before purchase. The 12-volt series wound motor and 3-stage planetary gear system deliver dependable pulling power with a free spooling clutch. Rope specifies a nylon line 100 feet long and 3/8 of an inch diameter, balancing strength and flexibility. Waterproof IP67 rating and sandproof design help protect the solenoid and motor from mud, water, and debris during off-road use. A 500-amp solenoid governs power flow with a crisp hold during winching, reducing heat and improving control. The integrated clutch brake system gives precise halting and controlled rope payout, making delicate pulls safer on rugged terrain. In field testing, it pulled static loads near its rated capacity with smooth engagement and minimal gear noise. During repeated cycles on a winch line, temperature remained manageable and the motor showed no signs of rapid thermal buildup. Maintenance checks are straightforward, with accessible fairlead area and simple rope respooling steps to prolong life and overall durability. Compared to the worn Xeon 12,000-pound winch, the RUGCEL Winch delivers similar pulling power but at lower price. The pros include durable brushed aluminum shell, IP67 waterproofing, and 100 feet nylon rope. The cons include higher price and heavier weight. At number 2, we have the Warn 885,000. From the first impression, the Warn Pulls-All blends portability with rugged construction, signaling suitability for pros and weekend warriors alike. Weighing about 15 pounds, the unit balances heft and maneuverability, making it easy to transport between job sites. It runs on a 120-volt AC power source, delivering steady performance without the ongoing hassles of battery dependence. The wire rope measures 15 feet in length and 7/32 inch in diameter, plus a swiveling anchor hook. An LED load indicator provides real-time feedback during lifting, while an electronic load limiter prevents overloading. No load line speed is 13.8 feet per minute, enabling precise moves in tight spaces and crowded work environments. It lifts or pulls up to 1,000 pounds, making it versatile for engines, heavy frames, and other substantial components. Compared with the cordless Warn 885005, the corded variant delivers steadier continuous power and eliminates battery concerns. The pros include 1,000-pound capacity, LED load indicator, and 15-pound weight. The cons include higher price and bulkier footprint compared to compact electric winches. In field tests, it moved heavy loads smoothly up to 1,000 pounds with controlled speed, avoiding stalls under typical shop conditions. Durable steel housing houses a swiveling anchor hook, ensuring secure mounting on tractors, trailers, or scaffolding during tricky pulls. If you need steady power with overload protection and straightforward maintenance, this Warn Pulls-All should be on your short list. Maintenance remains straightforward with routine inspections and proper safety practices, including clearing obstacles and following the electrical cord guidelines at all times. At number 1, we have the VEVOR electric winch. From the outset, this VEVOR electric winch targets off-road adventurers and recovery crews seeking serious pulling power with dependable versatility. Built with an aluminum shell and a rugged profile, this design communicates durability, resistance to tamped elements, and confident handling on rough trails. The rope section length is 65 feet of synthetic line, a length chosen to balance recovery reach with manageable weight for vehicles. Inside the housing, a 12-volt, 3-horsepower permanent magnet copper motor powers a 3-stage planetary gear system delivering strong torque. The winch uses a 12-strand high-density polyethylene rope that stays buoyant, resists abrasion, and features bright red last roll markings for visibility. The last 5 rolls carry bright red markings to help you see rope depth and alignment when setting anchors or during recovery. A wireless remote covers hands-free recovery up to roughly 65 feet, while a wired controller offers precise, direct operation whenever needed. The IP55 waterproof rating and matte black finish protects sensitive electronics from rain, mud, and inclement weather during remote operations. In field-style trials across muddy trails, the unit maintains steady performance, delivering consistent pulls without overheating or noticeable voltage sag. Compared to a popular 8,000-pound competitor, the VEVOR electric winch delivers higher rated pull and more robust waterproofing in challenging conditions. The pros include powerful pulling capacity, flexible control options with both wireless and wired remotes, and a rugged IP55 waterproof protection. The cons include a relatively high price for the class and a somewhat bulky form factor that may challenge installation in tight spaces. All-weather readiness and thoughtful design ensure this winch remains reliable under rain, mud, and cold starts, enabling confident recoveries wherever you go.